Hello there. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make your own brand new Star Wars map in Fortnite. This video is going to be completely raw and unedited, so if I stutter, bear with me. But as you guys can see, look at this Star Wars map right here. It is making over $12,000 every single day. So today I'm going to walk you guys down exactly how to build your own Star Wars Fortnite map. Of course, guys, you can join the Discord in the description to get your hands on your very first Fortnite map template that you can literally just repost and make thousands of dollars a month. Without further ado, let's get into the video. Okay, all you guys have to do, go to the Epic Games launcher right here, and all I need you guys to do is quite literally just go into UEFN here. Oh, also guys, this does work in Fortnite Creative 1.0, so you guys don't gotta worry, but let me show you guys exactly what you need to do. So, when you're loaded in here into the Epic Games launcher, just press launch session, and what you're going to do is load in one of the Star Wars templates. Mind you guys, Disney takes a 30% cut of your revenue when you guys do actually build games. Hopefully I still have your attention span, as I know the TikTok Gen Z brains, they can't really cling on to things for too long. So if you follow through with me today and you watch this video, you are going to learn how to build your own Star Wars game in Fortnite. And I can't thank you guys enough for watching this content. I'm the only one making people millions of dollars, spreading awareness of this business to millions of people. I'm blessed, you know? I'm really changing the world, guys. Future billionaire, baby, let's go. But yeah, anyways, once we're loaded into UEFN, I will walk you guys down exactly what you guys need to do. May the 4th be with you guys. I know I posted this video potentially on May 5th, but May 5th to you be as well, I guess. I don't know. But yeah, let's load in here and let's show you exactly what you need to do. I do have a pretty good computer, but there's a lot of issues with UEFN. There's a lot of crashes, there's a lot of lag, and yeah, it's a little upsetting. Also, guys, if you need to skip to the part to where I get into the tutorial, that's fine, do that, but if you're here for the ride, then you're going to listen to me talk and yap, and yeah, I'm going to help you guys. I know I haven't been making the craziest content, but guys, I got a lot of stuff coming soon. There will be 100 people, there will be 100 million people in this business very shortly, because of your boy Davis Gill here. I'm here for good, guys, I'm here for good. Come on, UEFN, load in. Mind you, I could have cut this, okay? I could have cut myself. Right? Whoa, not cut myself, but I could have, you know, just cut to loading into it and showing you, but I just don't give a fuck, quite frankly. You're here with me, we're here together, and we're going to suffer through this together, and we're going to achieve success. Let's do it. Come on, UEFN. But here's the problem, guys. No matter what strength of a computer you have, it still takes this long to load into the editor. It's because it's not its own application. It's leveraging Fortnite's API. Essentially, it's not its own thing, which is why when you load Fortnite, UEFN becomes a lot easier when you load it into it. It's because they're not separate. They're not two separate applications. They're kind of both communicating back and forth to each other, which is why on Roblox, on the other hand, it loads in 2 seconds. And with UEFN, it takes a long-ass time to load into a game, which is upsetting, right? We're loading in here. I'll show you guys exactly what you need to do. I guess this is a little bit more raw, and there is no cutting, right? So there's full transparency. There's nothing you guys would be confused about. Okay, all you guys have to do, I'm loaded in here, right guys? Go ahead and literally press this here. You're gonna press new project when everything loads, all right? And all we're going to do, well, I'll show you guys what we're gonna do when it loads in. Also guys, let me know if you're gonna watch the new Mandalorian and Grogu movie. I don't know if I will be personally, but you guys can let me know. Here we go, guys. All you guys have to do is press new project right here. Right? New project. And all you got to do is go to brand templates right here. As you guys see, Star Wars. We have these 5 Star Wars starting islands that you guys can work on and build your own games in Fortnite. So let's start off let's do this one. The Navaradu inspired starter island. We'll load into this bad boy, and I'll walk you guys down exactly how you guys can customize stuff, make money, of course, but also learn as well. So let's go ahead and press create, and we're going to load into a brand new Star Wars template. Also, guys, you can convert your islands already. Like if you have a red versus blue, you want to convert it back to Star Wars, you can do so. Okay? But I have to preface that if you make it to Star Wars and then turn it into Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles, you have to delete all of the items. Like if you turn it into Star Wars and then you want to make it K-pop Demon Hunters, you got to get rid of everything first before you do that. Or everyone's just going to be taking a rev share. With too many percentages going around, you know? It's going to be hell. It's going to be brutal. It's going to be nuts. But yeah, another thing I have to say to you guys is that I'm so happy that you're still watching this video. Also, guys, comment if you are. I'm just kind of blessed in life, you know? Like, I'm really inspiring millions of people into this business. Through my actions of making viral social media content, I'm inspiring the whole world to get into this business. And I'm the only one doing it. I'm making people millions of dollars with this video right here. People will watch this video. You watching. You'll watch this video and you'll make millions of dollars for yourselves. Through my influence and actions on you. I made you millions of dollars. I'm fucking blessed. Let's get into this. Let's get into this damn tutorial, baby. Let's go. I'm gonna stop glazing myself. Let's just get it. Let's get the fuck in here. Let's go. All right. So, opening 99%. Let's get it. Here we go. Honestly, I probably should have just cut to the chase here. I probably literally should have just cut to the part to where I'm actually in the island. I know it's a little boring for you guys, but I'm making you laugh, okay? New game with Ryan Reynolds in Fortnite. Mint Mobile, hashtag ad. Coming soon to a theater near you in IMAX and Blu-ray. Let's do it. Come on. Submit the damn project. Like, imagine this is the whole tutorial, guys. 10 hours later. Boring. Like, what are we doing here, guys? Like, this is a problem, guys. I have an amazing computer. But this still transpires for most people who are trying to load into a project. Mind you, I don't really optimize my computer. I literally don't. But while we're waiting, guys, I'm going to make a little promo here, okay, guys? I'm sorry. I'm going to do a little promo. I have to do it. But I have a mentoring program where you guys can literally get direct access to the top highest creators and learn off of them. Not only their strategies, but also how they achieve success in the first place. And it is called the Fort Mafia Inner Circle. If my PC will not crash here, I will show you. But it is in the link in the description. Pretty much, I want you guys to join the Fort Mafia Inner Circle. It is $1,000. If you don't have $1,000, that's completely fine. You don't have to pay. This is for people who believe in me, but also believe in themselves, that together we can create something and actually achieve success for yourself. That's pretty much what the whole program is. That's why there's over 300 creators inside. We talk every single day. It's awesome. There's a guy in Japan. We talk on a translator. It's like Darth Vader communication, to be honest. It's awesome. FortMafia.com. Check it out, guys. It's in the link in the description. While we load into this game here, it's still on 0%, guys. All right? Little sass, but let's close Fortnite GG because that does mess up the usage, you know, for Task Manager and stuff. But yeah, here we go, guys. This is FortMafia.com, and I want you guys inside, okay? I don't need to sell you guys. I don't need to slave it down your throat. But you guys should literally join. The success literally speaks for itself. You can literally just look here, see all the success. Like Mr. Beast and Iraq. I got a lot of cool games in the works, guys. I'm a billionaire, man. Let's go. But yeah, we're loading in here. Thankfully, thank God, we're finally loading in. My God, it takes so damn long. It's fucking stupid. But yeah, Tim Sweeney, I know you've seen my videos. This is a direct message to you and everyone at Epic Games who watches my content. What I want to say is that I have a lot of visions and plans for this industry, and I kind of need to speak to you, Tim Sweeney, because I know you believe in the vision that I have as well, kind of building this metaverse. But like, the problem is that only I can do that. So you could have all these collaborations and for your own tools, right? But you have to have a voice of the business, right? And that's where I come in. I'm the one who's inspiring millions of people into this business, literally changing the world on many people's lives by entertaining them, engaging them, and educating them on this business, saying, hey, you can make a lot of money. Here's how. They learn from me and they make their own money and they buy my courses and tools and education. But the problem is that as a company, there isn't necessarily a voice of the business, so there isn't enough relatability and there's not enough transparency, right? Which is why you hired, obviously, Epic Tofu Chris, I think that's his name. But yeah, he's awesome. He's awesome, right? But I'm blessed to embark on the journey with you. I will have 100 million people inside of this business by the end of 2027. Okay? Fortnite will be averaging 7 to 10 million CCU 24/7. I will do that. I've been here for 3 years. I ain't stopping. Message to you, Tim Sweeney. Someone share it to him. Post it on Twitter. Do what you got to do, man. Okay, so we're in the island, guys. We are inside of the Fortnite island. Let's just wait for everything to load in. I know this has been an amazing tutorial. I know it's been amazing. Trust me, I got you guys with the editing next time. But honestly, if you're not watching me talk about what I just said previously, you're not even here for the journey anyways. You know, you're just trying to cut to the chase and fuck off, right? But unfortunately, life doesn't work like that. Things take time, but time is literally just a perception. You know, self-consciously realizing, wait, why does the sun come up every XYZ time, right? That's all time is. It's a perception. It isn't technically real, right? Because if you're traveling 2x the speed of a 365-day window, you'll be 2 years ahead of the people that have lived 1 year, if that makes sense. But yeah, okay, so we're going to prepare the textures here. We have this nice, what is this fucking place called? We have this nice Death Star place. And let's go here and I'll show you guys exactly what you need to do. So here we have all these templates. Obviously, guys, you can convert your own islands as well. But let me just load up the content drawer here. You guys already know what this is. I don't need to explain it. Let's go to the foliage. And yeah, I mean, if you're loading into your own island, to be honest, you don't really have to change much, right? Who just emailed me? Okay, bro, don't give a shit. But yeah, like if you're loading into your own Star Wars stuff, like right here we have all the stuff, right? Let's load up into the lightsabers. So here we have the jetpacks and items, and we can actually drag. That doesn't make any. What am I saying? That doesn't make any sense. But we can essentially drag out these items here, like this jetpack. We can equip it. Now we have Jango Fett's backpack. You know, actually, I think this is the Mandalorian. Hopefully, the movie does well at the box office. Jon Favreau, I love you, man. Let's check a look at it, and let's see here. Okay, so we have all these items here. We have all the devices, the galleries. We can drag out individual buildings and props just like this. So look at this, guys. Here we have the individual boxes from AT&T. Is that, yeah, AT&T. I know that's a data center Wi-Fi network, right? But if we look here, see how we can drag and drop individual Star Wars props, right? Because the thing about tutorials, right, is that like you can't, like I can't really just tell you, hey, make your own Star Wars map and guide you, because then you're just copying me. All I'm telling you right now, this is what you got to do. This is what you're looking at. And here's how to customize what you want, you know? So yeah, I mean, you can drag out and drop the props and kind of like go figure, man. Do whatever you got to do, man, to build a passionate game for yourself. Because I'm going to hold you to it, man. What is this? The Star Wars Stronghold Standing Light A? Is this even in the game? I don't really think that is. But yeah, we have all these nice Star Wars props here. Lightsabers as well. We can go ahead and search those up. Right here, we can just search up saber, and it should pop up. Here we go, guys. Just wait for it to search up. Here we have all the lightsabers, guys, that we can just obviously use. Kylo Ren, Jedi training, and to actually, we just have to put these into an item granter, and you're good to go. But like, to be honest, this map is complete. If you guys would want to post this, you could, but I would add and preface that obviously if you're just posting flat templates, it's not really going to do well, but I digress. You guys can really do whatever you want. But yeah, I know this tutorial was a little bit helpful for you guys, but that's how you make your own Star Wars map in Fortnite. Pretty easy, guys. You know, it's pretty self-explanatory. It's been great talking to you guys, chatting with you guys, and I love you guys, man. I'm changing the world. Biggest business in the world, man. I'm out. Peace.